Hey, this is Robert Plank, and do you ever get stuck when you're doing anything technical on the computer, or say, for example, on your WordPress site? Well, Plugin Dashboard is your answer to instantly get unstuck in just about any WordPress situation or any WordPress screen. So let me show you. We're using Plugin Dashboard right now, which is a tool that allows you to load up your site with plugins, to load up your site with content, add users, tweak your settings, do all the things in WordPress that would normally take you 10, 20, 30 clicks and steps and screens all in one place. And that's all great, but Plugin Dashboard also helps you to figure out how to upload files, to change your theme, to set up your navigation. We can go and look at any of these tutorials right now and see how to edit posts, for example. We have a video right here. If we want to know how to change up our user accounts, there's the video right there. And that's all well and good to call up some videos, but what if you are there? What if you're here on your plugin screen and you're saying to yourself, I'm not even sure what I'm looking at. I feel like a deer in headlights. Don't worry anymore, because we've added this tutorial button on the top. You can click it, and now this video appears here, and it can walk you through different things and different things you can do. And while you're watching, you can also do things right here on the page. So let's say, for example, you're on your comments screen and you're not sure at all what you're looking at or what to do. Click on this tutorial button and a video instantly pops up, and it shows you how to deal with spam. It shows you what plugins will make this easier, and it just shows you how to navigate the screen you're currently on. Let's say that you are playing around with uploading files, right? You want to figure out this media screen, but you're like, I'm not even sure, there's no media files found. What's happening? Click on the tutorial link, and as you're on the screen here in the corner, a little bit out of the way, this video is helping you out and telling you what you need to do to get the job done. So the plugin that does that is Plugin Dashboard. Check it out at plugindashboard.com. Install it. We know you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Use it, and bye now.